Hey, what's up guys, Martin Unix here, and welcome again to another educative tutorial. Today I'm going to show you on how to do a loose barrel roll band with knotted two-strand twist sine swoop. Welcome guys. Alright, welcome guys. Now we are going to place our lock strands to a high pony where now we are going to work from. Alright guys, welcome. We have already secured our lock strands to a high pony where now we are going to work from. But before we do the loose barrel roll band, we are going to kick off by doing the sine swoop. That is guys, we are going to do the knotted two-strand twist at the side. And this is the way to go about it guys. I'm going to pull some strands from the pony. Alright guys, I understand you know how to do the twist outs. So we are going to do two-strand twists that way to certain level where my knot shall be ending. Then since I'm going to do some ornamentation, I'm going to hand some ornaments. That is, I wanna place my ornaments and pull them. That way. Then I'm gonna place my knot at this level. That's where my first knot will be starting. And remember guys, I will not be using rubber bands to secure the knot. So just kindly follow me and have a look on what I'm doing. That's where my final strand ends. Now I'm going to pull the strand in the final loop. Remember I had left out a loop intentionally. Alright guys, now I've just secured the remaining tip at this level. Remember I had left out a loop intentionally just to act as the securing point. And my first ornament came up here. Now my final ornament, I shall place it in here and loop the remaining tip upwards and secure it here using my crochet. Now guys, we're going to do the second one all together. Now remember that I've done my first knot. I'm going to do my second knot. And I want my sine swept swoop to be descending downwards in a certain pattern. So my second knot will be a little lower from the first one, just to come up with another pattern, guys, which will create another angle when it comes to beautifying our soup. You hook the remaining tip, let it pass through the loop. That way, guys. Then place your ornament that way. Then I want to pull Alright guys, now we are done. You can have a look on our side swept knotted 2-strand twists. And now guys, the purpose of doing this, guys, is to update our signature band, which we are about to do at the center. And you will realize that this side swept knotted 2-strand twist brings that girlish taste by disguising if there are any, that is, fine lines on the side of your face, and any hingy wrinkles, and if there are any marks at the left side of your face. So welcome guys, as I show you on how to do the band now. So this is the way to go about it, guys. You kick off by picking strands. Does it matter which side you are going to start with? Just pick strands by the look of the eye. You can just adjust the volume by the look of the eye. That way, then you roll them around. That's how you make a loose barrel. I will start again, guys, just for the sake of our beginners. Pick strands from your ponytail, then roll them around. That's how you make the loose ponytail. Just roll them around. Be mindful of the shorter strands because they might fall off. Up to that level, guys, you can have a look. This is my loose barrel roll. Now you wrap it around like this, securing your middle pony. That way, guys, up to certain level, where now, guys, we are going to pick other strands, and to be specific, near the area where our first loose barrel just ended. Wrap it around, wrap those strands around that way, creating a loose barrel. You can have a look, guys. This style is new, guys, for you, and I want to make it similar to our beginners, and this is the way to go about it. You secure the first hunting tip of the first loose barrel that way while going up once. Remember, guys, we are going up once to certain level now, where I will assume our band will be to certain up to that length that I will assume our band will be. Pick other strands, guys. Remember, we are just picking strands without counting. Just by the look of the eye, you can tell the volume of the strands, whether they are matching or not. Secure the second loose barrel that way, guys. Now I will assume that according to the volume of our log strands, our barrel will be ending at this particular area. So now we'll start going downwards. That way, guys, you just pick strands that way by the look of the eye, wrap them around, making a loose barrel. Secure the hunting tip of the previous barrel that way, and then this time round, guys, we'll start descending downwards that way. Pick other stones like that, wrap them around that way. Secure the hunting tip of the previous loose barrel. Up to that point, pick another section of strands that way, wrap them around, secure. Ngoja. It's a tedious process, guys, but you need to soldier on. So I will try and tuck in the hunting tips here. Up to this level, guys, you will realize that my band has started taking shape as well as being firm. So I can freely pick strands, twist them using my two hands that way, guys, that way, you see. Remember, this is for the sake of our beginners. Then wrap them around like that. Up to the base, where now I'm going to tuck in. I'm going to tuck in the hunting tips at a certain level. Pick another section of strands, wrap them around that way. That way, guys. Now you will realize that this time around my section ends up here. Just tuck them. So, guys, this is kind of repetition. It's kind of repetition of the whole process. Having reached this level, guys. I assume you can have a look and note that our bun is taking shape with a certain, pattern. That is my loose barrels going round and round in circles, giving our style another cute perspective. So now, guys, being my finishing kick, I'm going to walk you through the journey, assuming that we have beginners in my channel. If you want to support my channel, guys, you can do so by subscribing, share my work, like, comment positively, and make sure you keep on sharing my work to your platforms so that you can have as many subscribers as possible. So this is our final kick, guys, and you pick strands without counting, just by the look of the eye. Wrap them around, guys, making loose barrel. Then make sure you wrap your loose barrel in a certain pattern, that way, descending downwards up to the bottom, where now we will tuck in the ending tips at the bottom, that way, guys, that way, you see. So we are going to pick another portion. We'll be remaining with this portion here. Pick this portion, wrap it around that way. Then you just tuck in the tips at the base, that way, guys. Pick the remaining portion, wrap it around that way. Then, if nowhere to place the remaining section, you can use your finger, guys. Try and separate some of the loose barrels to create room for the remaining section, that way, guys. To just pass there in between. And it ends here, guys. So we are just going to tuck in the remaining tips at the base like that. Guys, this is my final outcome. This is my loose barrel roll bun, and just for the sake of giving or serving you some time, guys, you can secure the ending tips at the bottom using some yarn. Alright, guys, you can have a look on how our bun has come out. This very beautiful bun, guys. This is very innovative. You can have a look. It's wow, guys. And you can have a look on how our knotted two strand twist swoop adds a distinctive flavor to our signature bun. You can have a look, guys, how the combination is coming out, giving that girlish look. And we can go around, guys, so you have a look on the both sides of our style. And it's wow, guys. That's our final outcome. It's lovely. It's a nice look, guys. It's very official. You can do it in your office. You can wear this style in your office, guys. It both fits in formal and informal sectors. So kindly just give it a try, guys. And keep on subscribing, guys.